Okay, turn around. Walk over the troll bridge, Lily Claire. Trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap. Who's that on my bridge? Who is that on my bridge? Oh, is it a little billy goat?
No.
No?
No.
Well, what do you want to do, Billy Goat? What do you want to do? What trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap? What do you want to do, Billy Goat? You want to eat some grass in the meadow?
Yeah.
Where is the grass? That's right. That's right. There's some grass. Do you have any brothers? Some other goats? Slow.
Oh, you don't want to go fast?
For some
You
reason.
You like to go fast at home? You like to go high and fast?
Hi. Hi.
Yeah.
You want to go high?
Yeah. No.
You want to go slow but high?
Let's give it a shot. Let's see.
Tell you what, you were just doing it where we just bunch of arms here. Or we're not just saying this way. Yeah, just take your arm and go like this.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Lily Claire. Here you go. Hey, Lily Claire. Hi. Oh, hi.
You want to go slow? Why? You want to go high but slow. A good one, isn't it? We're going slow. Go slow.